Dhwani Patel is here. Dhwani, first of all, a quick look at the market and some of the contributors to a lackluster market. I want you to call, apart from Nifty Bank Nifty, on Reliance and HDFC Bank. Both are dragging the markets lower. And of course, no respite in HDFC, but Reliance was doing well. Is this dip a buying opportunity?
Good afternoon, Ajay. Definitely, we are seeing some profit taking coming in. In the morning, we did see both the indices trading in green, giving some respite over here. But then the intraday charts are taking a dip back again now. And for Nifty, I'm having a cautious view again. For bullish side of trades on Nifty, I'm looking up at 21,700 decisively to be taken out for further upside momentum, as well as on Bank Nifty on the higher side. The levels to watch out for are 46,500 mark. Once we have a good closing above these two levels is when we would like to go bullish on the indices. Talking specifically about Reliance in focus, Reliance, definitely we did see some buying action coming in, but in today's session we saw that the stock has made an open high from where we are taking some dips. There would be certain buying opportunity, but then I am seeing the derivatives data also, which is suggesting that we would see a dip over here to 2650. So 2650 ideally would be a good level to enter into this particular counter. Till then, I would like to avoid this.
What are your trading ideas, Dhwani, in this kind of a market?
So I am betting on two stocks over here right now. The first one, nevertheless, without saying, is from the railway. We are seeing good buying coming in over here in the railway stocks. IRCTC is on my radar. We have seen buying coming in also amongst the top gainers is RVNL, IRFC, but still there is more fire left in IRCTC from current levels. One can buy into it. And for the stop loss of 935, the target of 1050 has to be chased. The next stock that I have on my radar is MRPL. MRPL also, we've seen some good amount of gains coming in. There was a halt into the trend, but then this one has to pick up on the intraday chart. It's looking lucrative and the buying action is coming in for this one. Buy for a target of 190 with a stop loss of 168.
Okay, so that's the top recommendations coming in, Dhwani. But what's your take on, Polycab as a stock? Because that continues to react to the kind of commentary that is coming in. And of course, then you also have Aarti Industries and Deepak Nitrite in focus. Do you track the chemical space closely?
Yes, absolutely. We've definitely seeing some buying coming in on Aarti Industries in particular, but Polycab has seen the beating coming in. It opened with a gap down and still we are not able to sustain or close above that gap down opening. Technically, even a 200 period exponential moving average on a daily chart is acting as a resistance. So I'm not seeing any buying action coming in. The sell can be initiated over here in this particular counter. One can sell for a target on the downside of 4,000. The stop loss for this particular counter comes at 4600, and as far as Aarti Industries is concerned, we are definitely seeing today a good amount of buying action. The only point is that from current levels, it's not good to enter in this particular counter right now. For the reason being, it's taking a resistance near the previous swing highs. I would suggest entering into this particular counter above the 670 mark. We are close to that one. Above 670, fresh longs can be initiated in this particular counter for a target of 700 initially, and the stop loss on the lower side has to be kept around 650 level.
Dhwani, on that note, we'll let you go. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us.